Hello everyone, in this video I shall demonstrate how to download the Google Chrome browser on your macOS. To download Google Chrome you'll need to use another browser. All Macs come with Safari as standard, so we'll use that. Open Safari and in the address bar enter Google Chrome and hit enter. Safari should take you to the Google Chrome download page. If it doesn't, then it will search for Google Chrome, like so. In which case, you can simply click on the link at the top of the results to take you to the download page. Once on the download page, click on the download Chrome button and the Chrome browser will be downloaded in the form of a DMG file, as we can see here. It should not take a long time for the download to complete. Once it's done, open the Downloads folder in the Finder app, locate the .dmg file and double click it. Then in the pop-up that appears, drag the Google Chrome icon to the Applications folder, and that will install Google Chrome on your computer. Once installed, you can open Google Chrome by going to Launchpad, finding the Google Chrome icon and clicking it. A warning will appear that tells you that you are about to open an app that was downloaded from the internet. That's fine in this case because we know that we've downloaded Google Chrome from the google.com website and it was over a secure connection, as we can see here, HTTPS. So simply click open and Google Chrome is now installed on your computer and you've got it open here. Alternatively, you can open Spotlight Search by pressing Command and space, then enter Chrome and click on Google Chrome in the results, and that will open up the Google Chrome app. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, feel free to check out some of my other videos, and until next time, take care.